Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the 3M Polycarbonate face shield. Now, this is a very, very necessary item. I use this in the laboratory that I work at, and I use one of these at home. It's a face shield that protects you very, very well. This lens here is completely clear, and it withstand a lot of, like, if stones or little shards of whatever could hit this, it will bounce right off. It will protect you very, very well. This part is 5 inches high. Yeah, so it protects you all the top of your head all the way past your chin, pretty much, and it really gives you really good coverage. This part here is a crank that you crank to the sides, to the back of your head till it really gets in there tight and snug. Makes your head, makes a nice seal on your head so it doesn't fall off. This part here is also for that. This strap, this goes on the top of your head, and it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 position setting that you can adjust to actually get a really good snug fit. Yeah, because you want it to really hold your head, nicely, perfectly, because you don't want anything to get through, and in whatever you're doing, you don't want it to get through or shake off. Like, say if you're moving really fast or something and you're turning your head in different directions, it's going very quickly. You don't want it to slip off of your forehead or slip off of your head, period. You want it to stay in place and do what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I like this a lot, and like, I use it every day almost. I'd probably say every other day. It protects me from liquid nitrogen, which is a cold liquid that you do not want to get on your skin, or especially in your face. I also use it to protect me from any kind of bodily fluids like sera or blood when I'm working in the lab. Also, when I'm using this kind at home, I don't use the same one that I use in the lab at home. I have one just like this at my house also, and I use this for any kind of working, like in the garage, with wood, like when I'm sawing wood or grinding metal or anything like that. This will protect my face while I'm doing that. You don't want to just wear a pair of goggles when you're doing stuff like that, because your whole face is still out. Your eyes may be protected, but your skin is still out there. Shards of all kinds of whatever it may be, wood, plastic, or whatever, could shoot right in your face, and you do not want that. So face shields are very, very necessary, and I swear by them. The only downside I see to this particular one, like I said, I have 2 of them. They both have the same downside, is that they don't protect your ears. And I've seen face shields. Actually, I have a few others that much older that do protect your ears. They cover the part of your ears. This one, you have to wear ear protectors along with this. This will not protect your ears. And that's pretty much the downside to it. But a lot of times people don't expect to protect their ears. They only think about their eyes and their face and possibly their neck and the top of their heads. But rarely do they think of protecting their ears, which are on their side of their head. It's just something that's kind of taken for granted. But there was a time where I was wearing not this one, but one like it, and my ears were not protected, and I did not have ear protectors on, and I had a pretty close call with a piece of shard of metal that flew off my grinder I was using. It taught me a lesson. I mean, you have to have your ears protected, because that's flesh also, and you can get very hurt, and you don't want that. But other than that, this is a very good buy. It really does me well, and I like it a lot. Okay, guys, well, that is the 3M polycarbonate face shield. I hope you go out and get one. Like I said, I have 2 of these, and I'm very happy with them. All right, you guys, hope you use this information. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.